Hi guys, this is all are my toys. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. I will put everything there and I hope na magkasya siya. So, let's go. Dami-dami ko na kasing toys. So, una, ito muna. This one. This cellophane. Yeah. So, yung laman nito, this one. This one, Hello Kitty, and another Hello Kitty, and this versus toys, this one, versus battle, whatever. So, yun yung laman ng cellophane. Siyempre, ang pinaka-famous, si Crocodile. Then next, since alam ko sobrang malaki nito, so this one. So many, and they're so cute. So ito muna. Ito, yan eh. So ito muna. May mga candies pa pala ako dito, Diyos mio Marimar. Just ito. OMG. This is so cute. And then this one. Look. Oh. So this one, hindi ko pa to nagamit eh. Nawala na lang yung balls nito kasi kailangan mong magganyan. Next. Dinosaur. This one. Okay. So, kailangan itong i-close. Yeah. And then, that's it. So, dito yan. Oh my gosh! Feeling ko hindi magkasya. Sobrang liit ata ng lamisa. Ay, ito, si Shark. The Shark. And this thing here. Ano, delikasya ah. So, ang dami nila. And meron pa akong mga action figures. Oh my gosh. Ang dami na nila. They're so cute. Cause every time I did it, this is my favorite. And this one. So I still have these that leads to as symbols. This one. So I also have this mga props. This one, unicorn. This one, and this one. So ayun. Ito yung mga eggs or gold ng mga snakes. Also this one. So this is all the toys that I used every time I do my short videos. And then meron pa ako ito. But these toys are not mine. Sa mga alaga ko to. Pero they allow me to use this. Yeah, and they know that I'm using their toys. So this is my favorite Hulk, Spider-Man, and Iron Man. So yeah, this is their toys, but they're big. Oh my gosh, this is mine. So you will be here. Ouchie. So that's it. That's all. Yan lang po yung mga toys ko na ginagamit ko lagi for short videos. Pero ito, hindi ko pa siya masyadong nagagamit. And ito, parang ito lang yung lagi kong nagagamit. And I have a lot of millions views nito. And then this one. So, ito yung mga new purchase ko. Yan. So, yan lahat, pinurchase ko. And then, ito, sa alaga ko. Yes. So, ito pala yung phone holder na gamit ko lagi. So, if you want to see, oh my gosh, these toys, just comment down below. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. And, yeah. I'm crazy of buying toys for my short videos. Syempre, investment din yan, mga kigwa kayo. So that's all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.